First option which comes to your mind is we can put this job into some new stage, say stop feature, and place that stage just after the deploy feature stage in stages section. But if we do so, then in that case, just after the new feature app is deployed to some dynamic environment, then right after the deployment, stop feature stage would run, which will delete that newly created environment, causing to make that deployment unavailable for the next testing stage. And as a result of this configuration, test feature job will always fail. So putting the stop feature job right after the deploy feature will be of no use. The second option one may think of is putting it next to this automated feature testing stage. I mean, it would be practical to destroy the application after the successful testing of the review application. But no, we can't put it here as well. Because if we do so, then the under review application will not be available even for the developer himself or for the reviewer who would want to manually see the live application before approving it. So in short, this option would again become void for us. So, when and where to run this job? The ideal answer would be, what if we run this job after the feature branch is merged into main branch and gets deleted? Once the developer makes a merge request to main branch, dynamic application would still be live. Hence, maintainer can see the running application and test it. After maintainer reviews that application, he can go ahead and merge the branch into main, and this is the time when we can delete the feature branch as well as the dynamic environment created by it. So in short, the stop feature job should run when the merge to main branch happens. And how exactly we do this? It's by adding the stop environment configuration. By adding the stop environment configuration, we basically instruct GitLab what to do when a branch is to be deleted. Stopping environments can be achieved with the onStop keyword defined under environment. And as we would be calling the stop environment job, that is stop feature, from this deploy feature job, so under the environment tag of deploy feature, add a new keyword onStop and pass the job name that will do the cleanup, which is stop feature. Actually, dynamic environments stop automatically when their associated branch is deleted. Also, when an environment is stopped, this onStop action is executed. So if you understand the flow, if this option is checked while merging, then the feature branch gets deleted and this onStop action is executed, which in turn is calling the stop feature job that contains the Heroku app destroy command, eventually cleaning up everything. I hope you got this. And next, to make a link between deploy feature and stop feature job, plus to indicate that stop feature job stops deployment, inside its environment tag, pass a keyword action with value stop. Adding this keyword indicates that this job stops deployment and GitLab won't run this job as any other job. We will see in the pipeline run how this job is different from other jobs. And yes, the job with action stop might not run if it's in a later stage than the job that started the environment. So to prevent this thing to happen, we need to keep stop feature job in the same stage which started the environment, that is deploy feature. Stage deploy feature. Now one extra thing we need to set here would be git strategy to none. It is a variable setting the git strategy to none is necessary on the stop feature job so that the GitLab runner won't try to check out the code after the branch is deleted. And this stop feature job should run only after the merge is approved. Because if we leave it like this, then stop feature job would parallelly start with the deploy feature job. But ideally, this job should run only after some person approves the merge request from GitLab UI and its feature branch is deleted. So it means it is a kind of manual trigger of job. That is why we have to add a when condition in stop feature job like this. Now this job will only run after a manual action. So yeah, finally with this, the coding part of stop environment is done. There are few other settings that we have to do in GitLab UI for the proper functioning of stop environment, which I will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.